In this video, we're going to take a look at a database called Opposing Viewpoints. Make sure that you are logged into your Atlas account, and once you're logged in, click on Search the Library. From the Libraries page, click on Databases A to Z. From the alphabetical listing of databases, we're going to simply choose our alpha letter, which is O in this instance, and we're going to select Opposing Viewpoints. On the Databases page, you can use these tools at the top if you so choose. Browsing the issues will give you a more detailed alphabetical listing of the issues within this database, as well as a title list of some of those issues that you would find in this database. You also have a very short carousel, which I guess moves you through the top 3 issues of interest within this particular database. So by clicking the arrow and moving to the right, you move through those articles, and then it just recycles and starts again. At the bottom or lower half of this page, you'll see categories by subject. And within those categories, you will see a number in parentheses, and those are the number of issues that are found within that overall category. So in business and economics, we will have 137 issues or articles. In addition, you'll see which topics have been recently updated. And in this instance, we're going to choose health and medicine. As we scroll through the issues within health and medicine, we can again see new issues that are listed. We also see what's been updated. In this particular instance, we're going to take a look at healthcare access. We are redirected to an overview page of healthcare access. And one thing I do like about this database is that you are given a breakdown of what types of articles or material formats that you're going to find within this database. So as you can see here, we have featured viewpoints. There are 10 articles, and with all of these categories, the number in parentheses is the number of articles that you will find within that. So academic journals, there are 275 articles. There are 2 infographics. There are 615 news articles. There are 144 related viewpoints. There are 41 images. There's 1 primary source. There are 36 references, so on and so forth. Now, you can narrow your search by looking specifically within these results. However, what this database does also is it does a breakdown specifically, so you can see just some of the highlights of those material types. So for example, featured viewpoints. The focus is for this first article is treatment during the COVID-19 pandemic is not equal. The pandemic has made the U.S. healthcare crisis far more dire. We must fix the system. It also tells us this is a viewpoint essay. In these academic journals, it tells us what the type of article it is. It is a report. Primary source, it's a resolution. Another viewpoint essay, infographics, images, videos, audio files, news, magazines, statistical information, and other related websites. So we're going to select the second article here. The pandemic has made the U.S. healthcare crisis far more dire. And when we click on that article, this is the article in its entirety. There may or may not be images affiliated or associated with that particular article, but this is the article in question. We have our authors, date of publication, the document type, the number of words. You also have related subject matter that you can select within the article if you are not finding what you need. So you may find more articles like this in particular, The healthcare system favors the wealthy and harms the poor. Universal health care is the best solution for uninsured Americans. So you simply would just click on one of those articles and it will take you to a new article. But in addition, you have related subject matter. So if you are focusing specifically on health care access for African Americans or health care reform or poor people in health care, you can choose any of these links and it takes you to a new article. So let's say you've gone through this article and you are ready to cite. Your citation is at the bottom of your article here. You have several styles from which you can choose from: MLA, APA, Chicago, and Harvard. Again, copy and paste that and put it into your works cited or bibliography page. In addition, within this database, you can translate to another language, you can decrease the font size, you can increase your font size. You can also choose to listen to this in an audio format or MP4 file. I will say it is not the most exciting listening, so just beware. You can download your article to Google Drive or to another cloud program such as Microsoft OneDrive. You can email it to yourself. You can download it into a PDF file, or you can print it. And this is how you use opposing viewpoints.